Hi, I'm Kristen with Been Beyond, here to share with you 5 reasons you have to be doing yoga and Inferno Pilates for longevity and overall health. Reason number 1 is that both yoga and Inferno Pilates help reduce stress. And I think lowering stress levels is a goal we can all agree on. Both yoga and Inferno Pilates move your body in an intentional way that promotes self-awareness and compassion. Mindful movement not only releases feel-good endorphins that boost your mood, it also helps clear and calm your mind by bringing your focus to your body and your breath. The more you practice, the better you'll be able to handle whatever life throws your way. Tune in tomorrow for reason number 2 and join us this Saturday and Sunday for a weekend of free yoga and Inferno Pilates classes where you'll feel welcomed, supported, and inspired as you take the first step in reducing stress and living your best life. Click the link below and sign up for your free class now.